Welcome back to Shem's Universe. So today, guys, I want to discuss the birth number 9 with life path number 5. So this is a very dynamic and very aggressive persona. The reason I say this, we have number 9. Number 9 is all about being the warrior, somebody who has an idea, somebody who came out here to really make an effect on the whole entire world, or at least their given community, in a very intense, strong way, by changing the mindsets of other people, or even changing their lives in a good or bad way, depending on what their intentions are. The 9 has that intense energy. They're the number of finality. It's the opposite number of the number 1. This goes for anybody, of course, to do a little recap, born the 9th, the 18th, the 27th. You're a life path 5 for this video is if your full birth date across the board adds to 5 in some sort of way, whether that be through 5, 14, 23, 32, whatever, right? So with that being said, you guys need to understand that these guys are very, very fearless people, and this leads to good money. This leads to good business, because when you have a very, very aggressive mindset that has discipline and you lack fear, that makes you very much unstoppable, because you're manifesting from the universe, because you're on a positive tangent. You're very disciplined, which makes the universe take you seriously, because you're being consistent, you're following a process, you're sticking with your plans, you're not being diverted by other people's energy. So this makes a person very, very strong. These people are born like that, very, very naturally, and that's what makes them definitely people to be afraid of to a certain extent. You don't want to really have a problem with them, but if they're on your side, you can definitely feel comforted knowing that they'll go to war and they'll die for you. So this is a very honorable number in that sense, but they could be very, very dangerous if they're your enemy. When it comes to good luck names associated with the birth number 9, life path 5, I'd say 5 and 6 work quite well. The number 1 works good. Avoid 2 and 7, of course, for name components, just because that'll lead to opposition with the number 9. And the 5, they get along with everybody, so you're completely fine with that respect. But you just want to make sure that your name number is in alignment, with the number 9, because if it's not, that's where you're going to lead to a lot of different hosts of problems. If you have this birth number combination, you're finding your life to be a little bit hard, and you have the name that vibrates correctly with the 9, still not working, I recommend maybe wearing coral or gem. The coral, gem, diamond, these things can really make you very much unstoppable. I know diamond's a bit pricey, but even a small diamond that you just wear as a stud, wherever, if you have any piercings, will actually lead to a whole host of more positive reinforcement from the universe. Very good jobs for you guys include like sports, aggressive sports, especially like football, fighting, politics, lawyers, doctors. All of these things work very, very well, but you want to make sure that your job is very high stress and use your fearlessness to actually get you ahead in your career, because what you have as a natural attribute, other people have to work their ass off to get. So use it, make a lot of money, and dominate your reality. That's it, guys. Peace.